Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on a mobile without power button. So if your power button on your device on your Android phone are broken or disabled, you can try to switch on your mobile phone with your charger. You can plug in your charger into your device. So your device will automatically wake or on. And now you can try to open your settings on your phone and try to search the advanced tools or convenience tools. You can scroll down. Here we go. This is convenience tools on my phone, and here you can try to turn on the gestures and motion. You can click it or tap it. Here you can try to use your gesture to turn off and turn on your phone. So for example, you can use this screen off gesture. You can try to turn this on, and also in order to wake your screen, turn on your mobile phone without power, you can try to turn on double tap to wake screen. So you can only double tap on your screen to wake your phone. And also there is additional option like draw an O to open camera, draw a V to turn off or on flashlight, and even you can add your gesture here. And don't forget to turn on raise to wake. This is motions. If you raise your phone, you will wake up. You will turn on the screen of your phone. So once again, you can try to on your mobile without power button. You can try to wake your mobile phone without power button. So maybe your power button is disabled, your power button is unfunctional. You can try to turn on by double tap your screen. So for example, you can go to your settings and tap on convenience tools. Here you can try to search gesture and motions and tap on screen off gestures. So you can try to turn on double tap to wake screen. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.